Welcome to MVP Auto Pro, where rare machines, bold engineering, and performance meet passion. Today, we take a deep dive into one of the most exclusive and exotic motorcycles of 2025, the Bimota KB4RC. This bike is a pure-blooded Italian masterpiece that fuses vintage racing spirit with cutting-edge technology and Kawasaki's proven engineering. With only a limited number being produced, the KB4RC isn't just a bike, it's an experience, a work of art, and a mechanical statement. Let's explore why this machine is capturing attention from collectors and riders alike. Design, neo-retro perfection. The 2025 Bimota KB4RC carries forward the breathtaking neo-retro design first introduced with the original KB4, but now with a sharper focus on track performance and weight reduction. The RC stands for Racing Competizione, and that intention is visible in every detail. The bike's bodywork is built entirely from carbon fiber, contributing to a dry weight under 180 kilograms, and giving it an unmistakably aggressive yet elegant silhouette. The round LED headlight, sculpted fuel tank, and minimalist rear tail evoke the glory days of 1970s European racing, yet every surface is aerodynamically optimized for modern-day speed. Available in classic tricolor livery or stealth matte carbon black, the KB4RC oozes exclusivity and style. Engine: Kawasaki-powered meets Italian passion. Underneath that handcrafted Italian bodywork beats the heart of Japanese performance. The 2025 Bimota KB4RC is powered by Kawasaki's 1043 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, the same power plant used in the Ninja 1000 SX. This engine delivers a stunning 142 horsepower and 111 Newton-meters of torque, providing a thrilling ride that's as usable on the street as it is blistering on the track. Paired with a 6-speed transmission and slipper clutch, the KB4RC ensures smooth, controlled downshifts and an engaging high-revving character. Thanks to its lightweight chassis and excellent weight distribution, the KB4RC delivers power in a way that feels immediate, linear, and totally addictive. Chassis and handling: Bimota's engineering magic. Where the KB4RC truly separates itself from the crowd is in the chassis. Bimota is known for their hybrid frame design, and this bike continues that tradition with a tubular steel trellis front frame combined with billet aluminum plates at the swing arm pivot. This design gives it a unique balance of flex and rigidity, something Bimota engineers have spent years perfecting. The KB4RC is equipped with top-tier Öhlins suspension, fully adjustable MPX fork at the front and a TTX monoshock at the rear, allowing riders to fine-tune their handling preferences whether on road or track. Braking comes courtesy of Brembo Stylema calipers and twin 320mm discs, delivering razor-sharp stopping power and plenty of feel. Steering is light and incredibly responsive, thanks in part to the short wheelbase and low center of gravity, making the bike feel like a scalpel in the corners. Simply put, this bike was built to carve. Technology and electronics, simplicity with precision. In keeping with its minimalist, race-inspired philosophy, the KB4RC doesn't try to overwhelm with electronics. But what's there is smart, purposeful, and premium. Riders get selectable power modes, multi-level traction control, and a ride-by-wire throttle system for precise engine control. ABS is corner-sensitive, and the quick-shifter with auto-blipper comes standard, making fast upshifts and downshifts seamless. The dashboard features a full-color TFT display, which includes telemetry such as lean angle, lap timer, gear indicator, and real-time performance data. Everything is laid out cleanly and is easy to navigate, staying true to Bimota's philosophy of blending simplicity with functionality. Exclusivity and ownership, built for the few. One of the biggest draws of the 2025 KB4RC is its limited production run. Each unit is hand-assembled in Rimini, Italy, and individually numbered, turning every KB4RC into a collector's piece from the day it's delivered. Attention to detail is second to none, from the precision machine triple clamps to the custom seat stitching and CNC-finished components. Owners can expect concierge-level support, with custom tuning and setup available through authorized Bimota partners. This isn't just a bike, It's an experience reserved for those who appreciate craftsmanship as much as performance. Final verdict, for riders who want it all. The 2025 Bimota KB4RC is not a bike for the average rider. It's a statement for those who value individuality, design, and the pure connection between machine and rider. With Kawasaki's powerful engine, Bimota's masterful chassis engineering, and an unmistakable Italian flair, this bike delivers on all fronts: performance, design, and rarity. Whether you're a collector, a canyon carver, or someone who simply wants to own a bike unlike anything else on the road, the KB4RC offers a riding experience that's both visceral and refined. It's not just about speed, it's about soul. Outro. Subscribe to MVP Auto Pro. Thanks for joining us here on MVP Auto Pro for this exclusive look at the 2025 Bimota KB4RC. If you're as obsessed with high-performance machines and exotic motorcycles as we are, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. More rare bikes, build projects, and premium reviews coming soon, only on MVP Auto Pro.
Less weight, smarter tech, and uncompromising durability. Whether you're planning a cross-country ride, a desert crossing, or a simple mountain escape, this bike is ready for anything. If you're serious about adventure, real, raw, long-distance exploration, there is no machine better equipped to take you there than the R1300 GS ADV. Outro. Subscribe to MVP Auto Pro. Thanks for tuning in to MVP Auto Pro for this complete breakdown of the 2025 BMW R1300 GS Adventure. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in motorcycle tech, reviews, and epic machine launches. Adventure never stops, and neither do we, right here at MVP Auto Pro. Ride far, ride free.